Hi everyone, I'm Christina with It Is a Keeper, and today I'm going to show you a great way to use up leftovers from Thanksgiving. We are making a leftover Thanksgiving casserole. This casserole is so easy to make and my family just loves it. There are layers of stuffing, turkey, mashed potatoes, and more. It bakes up warm and delicious. I always make this with my holiday leftovers and I think you're going to love it too. Now make sure you click on the red subscribe button below so you're notified whenever I share new recipes. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Now let me show you how to make the leftover Thanksgiving casserole. Okay, so to make our leftover casserole, we need to start by prepping a couple of layers first. So I literally have my leftovers here in their storage containers. So I'm going to pop open the cranberry sauce. You can get this recipe on my YouTube channel. I will put a link to it so you can easily find it. And we're looking for about a 1/4 cup of that. So we'll put that in there, put the lid back on. Now to that, we are going to add some mayonnaise. Now I know this sounds weird, but stick with me. We're gonna add that in there and then just give everything a good stir through. This is so good. It's so creamy. The layers just all cook together in the oven and the stuffing gets a little crispy. Oh, wait till you try this. Okay, this is looking pretty good. So we're just going to set this aside, bring in another bowl, and we're going to assemble our potato layer. So here I have some leftover mashed potatoes. I'm gonna add all of those into the bowl. And we're going to add some cheddar cheese because cheese, why not? And we are also going to add a little more mayonnaise. We will get all of that together. I find that it's easy to make all the layers first and then we can just start assembling everything. All right. Get that all mixed in there. Looking good. It doesn't have to be perfect, just close enough. Okay, let me clean up my workspace here a little bit and we can start assembling our casserole. So here I have a 9-inch baking dish, and this recipe starts with a layer of stuffing. So I have my leftover stuffing here. You can get this recipe also on my YouTube channel. It's my grandma's stuffing, and it is the best. I'll just use this scoop here. I'm gonna use about half of this. You guys, the smell of stuffing never gets old. I love it. All right, and I'm just gonna use my fingers to put it in an even layer in the bottom of the baking dish. If you need to add a little more, just do it. You can totally eyeball it. That's the great thing about casseroles is you don't have to be too precise. Okay, on top of our stuffing, we are going to add our leftover turkey. And I always know that I'm going to be making this recipe, so I cut my turkey, my leftovers, into bite-sized pieces. So I'm just going to put a layer, white and dark meat. If you have any dark meat left, I feel like we never have dark meat left after Thanksgiving. It's the one that everybody goes for, but not me. I'm a white meat girl. Okay, so on top of our turkey, we're going to add this cranberry mixture. So I like to just kind of spread it on so that everything gets a nice little coating. Oops, that was good. So that everything gets a nice coating of it. Don't drop the bowl into your casserole. There we go. This is gonna cook down and all melt together. So just spread it as good as you can get it. All right, next up is our potato mixture. We're gonna layer that on top. And then just use the spatula to spread it into an even layer. That cheese is going to melt up and mix with everything. Oh, this is so good. I can't wait. All right, looking good. Last up, the rest of our stuffing. I'm just going to use my hands and crumble it on top. All right, that's all there is to assembling this casserole. We are going to pop it into the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes until it gets nice and bubbly and warmed through, and then we are gonna dive into this bad boy. Okay, so our Thanksgiving casserole is done, and let me tell you, this smells amazing. So let's, ooh, that's very hot. Let's dig into this and see what we have. So you want to get a little bit of all the layers. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff right there. If you love Thanksgiving dinner like I do, you're really gonna like this casserole. So you want to make sure you get a bite with all the flavors in it, some stuffing and some turkey. I'm gonna go for a bit of that crispy stuffing on the top. Okay, that's scalding hot. I don't know, I dare say this is a close runner-up to the actual Thanksgiving meal. This is fantastic. You can even assemble this casserole ahead of time, make double, throw it in the freezer, and have it on a day when you're just craving some good holiday deliciousness. You guys, this casserole is great. Make sure you give it a try this holiday season. Thanks for watching. You can get the full printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And make sure you check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye!